Hi everybody, welcome to our master plan for Medicine Hat College. My name is Jonas Enns and I am joined by my group members Caleb, Ian, and Zach. This master plan will include insight of what the future holds for the college and how we can maintain the success of it. One topic that is growing ever important these days is sustainability, and this brings me to my first question. Why is sustainability important? During the next couple of decades, concepts like sustainability are going to grow and become increasingly important to communities. Meeting our own needs without compromising the needs of future generations ensures that Medicine Hat College will continue to flourish as a community. To achieve this high standard of sustainability, we have decided to use the SMART growth principles. These 10 principles will help us achieve our vision, the master plan, and they include mixed land uses, taking advantage of compact building design, creating a range of housing opportunities and choices, creating walkable neighborhoods, fostering distinctive, attractive communities with a strong sense of place, preserving open space, farmland, natural beauty, and critical environmental areas, strengthening and direct development towards existing communities, providing a variety of transportation choices, make development decisions predictable, fair, and cost-effective, and lastly, encourage community and stakeholder collaborations in development decisions. And this leads us to our vision. We have met with stakeholders and engaged with members of community, and after careful consideration, we have focused on these 6 areas of emphasis. Creating a sustainable campus to serve as a model for the city, mixed-use spaces, creating revenue opportunities for the college, utilizing the existing space at the college to their full potential, connecting the campus as a whole, and increasing the engagement of the outside community on campus. To introduce our first topic, we have Caleb and Zach.
Thank you, Jonas. I am Caleb Lawson, and we'll be talking about the sky bridge that we have designed for the college. As you see here, we have the Vicinity plan, and in it has our red proposed project, which connects from the south end of the S-Wing to the northeast corner of the Cultural Center. Some of the design features we have with this are a TP structure that is used for the culture that's been around Medicine Hat over the years. We have flex spaces that are in all the rooms that are going to be able to fold the walls to create any space that is wanted. We have a green roof for soundproofing to collect rainfall and provide protection for the roof. Everybody likes covered parking, so we designed it to be under the bridge to use the same footprint as the bridge. We have spaces for private vendors, such as in the section where the TP is, or in the section on one of the ends of the sky bridge. And I will now pass it to Zach for more.
Thank you, Caleb. I am Zach Fursel, and I will be talking about the materials of the sky bridge. Our first material is ashcrete. Ashcrete is recycled ash that is from burning of coal. It uses less water and is stronger and more durable than concrete. Aluminum will be for the structure of the bridge with its light weight, and when mixed with alloy, it is stronger than steel. Ornolux glass is a UAV reflective coating that is built into the glass for birds to see to avoid the glass. Loose fill cellulose insulation is recycled paper that is sprayed into spaces for a great seal. Silicone sealant is more eco-friendly than plastic. It comes from the sand and is ocean-friendly. Fiber cement siding is made with recycled wood fibers, and it is stronger and durable for any kind of weather. Cork wall comes from a tree that is scraped off the tree without cutting down the tree for a more sustainable living. Proclima DP Plus is recycled paper for a more resistant moisture. Smart growth principles applied. Mixed land use, blending private, flex, and community spaces. Foster distinctive, attractive communities with a strong sense of place, enhancing the overall attractiveness of Medicine Hat. taking advantage of compact building design, having the structure and parking below in the same footprint, creating walkable neighborhoods, connecting the college to the cultural center indoors, preserve open space, farmland, natural beauty, and critical environmental areas, having the skybridge stand over parking to keep space. Thank you. I will pass this on to Jonas for the next topic.
Thank you, Zach. Our next topic will be the Courtyard Atrium renovation. This site is located in the heart of the college. As you can see, the space is very beautiful, but it is heavily underutilized. I've seen more geese use it than humans in the last few years. This space will be converted into a glass atrium that can be used in a variety of ways. Studying and learning for multiple hours of the day can put a lot of stress and wear on students. The goal of the atrium is to provide students with a space on campus that feels like you're away from campus. Provide students a light and fresh area to keep a right mindset during the tough months of learning. As you can see, there are 3 types of seatings. We have the booths on the left, the elevated seating on the right, and the lounge area on the bottom left of the space. The atrium will serve as a unique study space for students. They are able to access the booths, the elevated seating, the lounge, or even the grass to learn or relax. It has a potential space for vendors to set up booths. The attractiveness of the atrium provides a unique opportunity for businesses to sell their products. The attractiveness of the atrium will also bring in visitors from the community, such as a wedding party or grads taking pictures in the garden. This will also be Medicine Hat's first botanical garden. These are the smart growth principles applied for the atrium. First, you have mixed land use. The atrium will blend a study space with a botanical garden. Second is fostering distinctive attractiveness communities with a strong sense of place. The atrium will enhance the overall attractiveness of the college and be a space that many students will consider their favorite spot on campus. Last up is strengthening and direct development toward existing communities. Since this development is a renovation, no additional space will be required. For the last topic, let me introduce Ian, who will present it.
Thank you, Jonas. This is Ian. I'm going to present the residential. The current Medicine Hat College Campus residential. It has 75 well-maintained townhouse units consisting of 2 bungalows style per unit, and it is located to the northwest of the college building. This slide shows about the current existing residential site. This shows how much space are free and available for renovation and expansion. Here's the problem and the issue for the residential. Design. For example, townhouse barracks. The physical appearance of the residential apartment no longer suits the building design of the adjoining ones, including the college building. The townhouse are horizontal standing, but each is not connected to one another. Next, poor compact building design. It has only 1-story unit with a basement only. The next problem, terrain. Hillside. The geographic area on the left side has a bump of a hill that blocks the view of the cliff and occupies a lot of space in the area. Next, plain open space. The city of Medicine Hat has the hottest climate in the Canada because of the wide open space. Surrounding of the residential must be covered by a lot of trees. Third problem, pathway, narrowed. The residential side is narrowed, but it has a lot of free space to the left side of the site plan. Next, single long exit. There is only one way of the resident to in and out of the campus. To get out of the campus, they must go through the roundabouts. Here are the solutions for the issues and the problem of the residential. Number 1. Adding stores. Adding stores may provide livelihood, food service, and opportunity for the residents and students to work in the added stores. It also gives the college opportunity to increase revenue by creating space or program can sell their services. Second, adding more green infrastructure. Due to the city's hottest climate, adding trees will help to reduce the heat in the area and cover the passage of the residents. Third, better and cohesive streetscapes. Providing some bike parks, pedestrian lanes, bike lanes, signal light, signs, wide roadways, parking lanes, and transportation station allow fulfilling the function of the system in the surroundings of the residential. Fourth one, expanding the site helps to increase the capacity of the lifestyle in the residence area and allows to extend the activities. Better building, not only as of the design but what the residents wants to live in. The system of the building must be better also to protect the communities away from the disaster such as storms, strong winds, and radiation. Here's some proposal example for the residential. The first one, Plaza Convention Center. Building a Plaza Convention Center is a great to maximize the residential open space. Next one, retail store one side of segment. Provide opportunity for the students and residents in the community that do not have work to give more work experience. It will also help for the small businesses to build and start to grow their business. And the third one, combine stores and units. Stores and apartment units will turn out to be mixed-use buildings to save space. Here's the plan for the proposed vicinity plan. By adding stores, gathering places, and increasing the building up to 3 stories. Here is the concept of what would it look like for the proposed residential. Here are the smart growth principles that applied. First, mixed land use. Expanding walkability may provide additional space for some activities. Next, compact building design. Expanding up to 3-story building. Expanding the building gives another capacity for the students to live on the campus. And the third one, preserve open space. Adding plaza center and garden space may serve as venue for the residential community gatherings and provide a better life for the residents and students. This concludes for our master plan. Thank you guys for listening. Let us sustain the excellence of Medicine Hat College for years to come.